Hey guys, Killian here, and I just wanted to show y'all an experiment I've been thinking about. Now, the experiment is really simple. Really simple. We're gonna put a dinosaur in the microwave. Now, I know this seems crazy, but this is just an experiment, and I want to show you what I think it'll do. Alrighty, just gotta put the little dino in the thing like that. And close it up. Start the thing. Okay, while that's cooking, I believe that we will have to do something else in the meantime. Okay guys, it's been a few minutes, so I think it's wait. Why is the door open? Did it fall out? What happened? What the heck? What the heck's going on? What the heck? I don't know what's going on. I sure as hell can't be. What the heck happened to that thing? It's huge!